Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be swatching a set of liquid lipsticks that I recently won in a contest. Now, before telling you about the contest and how I won this product, I'll just quickly show you the lipsticks that I would be swatching today. So this is the little set of lipsticks that I would be talking about today and would be swatching today with you guys. Now, before getting into the actual product, let me tell you how I actually won this product. The product that I showed you is a liquid lipstick set from the brand called C2P, and I won this product in a contest held by Fabbag. Now, if you have been following my channel since past 2 or 3 months, you must have seen at least one of my Fabbag review videos. I have done 2 Fabbag reviews on my channel till now. I have reviewed the April Fabbag and the May Fabbag on my channel, and whenever you buy a Fabbag, you get eligible to participate in a contest which is held by Fabbag. For that, all you have to do is click the photos of the contents you get in your Fabbag and just post it on your Instagram feed with the hashtag in my Fabbag, and if you are one of the lucky ones, you win the contest and you receive the product for that particular month. I bought my first Fabbag in the month of April and I posted this picture on my Instagram feed. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle right here. Just if you want to see more pictures and more short videos, then you can follow me on my Instagram. So I basically posted this picture and I was one of the 5 lucky winners who won this particular lipstick set. I received this lipstick set just yesterday and I immediately wanted to film this video, and because I wanted to do a first impression video on these lipsticks, I am filming my first impression and lip swatch video of this lipstick today. Now let's talk about the brand a bit first. The brand I said is called C2P, and honestly I haven't heard about this brand before knowing about this in the Fabbag. After checking out the product online, this particular lipstick set actually has an MRP of 1199 rupees, but this on a discount can be bought for 899 rupees on C2P's official website. C2P does have a lot of other variety of makeup products also, which can be bought on C2P's official website, also on Flipkart and on Amazon also. I'll just leave the link of all the websites where you can buy these lipsticks from in the description box down below. So if you are interested in buying these particular lipsticks or maybe any particular color if they are available individually, then you can check out the description box. As I said, I received this particular set yesterday only, and it came in a regular Fabbag box. The outer cardboard box had Fabbag written on it, and inside this particular tin box was present, which was bubble wrapped very nicely. So this is basically the outer packaging of these lipsticks, and I also got a little card which said congratulations. So yes, this is how the outer packaging of these lipsticks look like. This outer box is actually pretty handy. You can use it to store a lot of different products when you're done removing lipsticks from this box. Now if you open the box, this is how the lipsticks are placed inside. These lipsticks are placed in a sponge which keeps them secure. Now if we talk about the packaging of these lipsticks, this is how the lipsticks look like. They are like decent quality. I won't say that the packaging is very high quality or something, but yes, the cap is pretty secure and the opening is decently smooth enough, I would say. It is not very smooth nor it hinders while opening. So yes, it is like an average quality of it. It does open decently. It does seem travel friendly to me. Now the name and the number of the lipstick is actually mentioned on a little sticker which is pasted at the bottom of the lipstick, and the lipstick contains a regular doe foot applicator. Now before talking more about these lipsticks, let's swatch all the 4 lipsticks one by one, and then I'll talk about my first impression about these lipsticks. This is how shade number 01 looks like. The shade is called Tranquil Brown. I'll just write the name right here. So yes, it is a very unusual sort of a color. I do not like to apply brown lipsticks, but yes, I do have a couple of brown lipsticks that I love, and this is something I am actually liking. It is a grey toned brown which can actually look good with a neutral or a brown smoky eye look. Now this is a color which I wouldn't say is very pigmented. It requires at least 2 to 3 swipe of the color to make it completely opaque. When I applied this color on my upper lips, it became opaque somehow in the first go, but on my lower lips it took me 2 to 3 swipes to make this color completely opaque. I have applied this in the perfect manner that it should be. Like, I have shaked this lipstick, I have mixed the oil, but somehow I do feel that the oil or the solvent maybe that is present in this lipstick makes it a little less pigmented. Now let's go on to shade number 2. This is how shade number 2 looks like. The shade is called Immortal Ruby, and it is not exactly a ruby shade, I would say. It is sort of a true red color with a tiny bit of pink undertone. At least that's how it is looking on my skin tone. The formulation of this particular color is actually far better than the previous one that I tried. This color is completely opaque in the very single swipe, and it is completely non-streaky. Let's quickly do a transfer test for this particular color, because reds are usually very easy to transfer. So I do have a clean hand, and I'll just try transferring this lipstick on my hand. There is nothing at all. This lipstick is completely transfer proof, and my lips are actually not feeling very dry right now. I'll just show you how easy is this one to remove as well. I'll quickly take out my Color Bar makeup removing wipes, which I am currently using because I'm out of my Neutrogena wipes, and I'll just show you how easy is this to remove. See, I have tried like 2 to 3 times and it is still there. So it is pretty long lasting, I would say. So it is actually taking a lot of effort to remove this lipstick. I hope it is easier to remove from the lips. The brown one was actually easy to remove, but I am unable to remove this lipstick easily. Okay, I'll just remove this lipstick off camera, and we'll meet with the lip swatch of shade number 3. This is how shade number 03 looks like. The shade is called Arctic Vineyard, and by reading the name I thought it would be on like the purpley side of the spectrum, which it does look in the hand swatch, but on the lips it looks like a little deeper to me than what I expected it to be. It is certainly different from the brown color in the terms of color, but in the terms of formulation, even this particular color requires at least 2 swipes, or requires at least 2 coats to make it completely opaque. The first coat of the lipstick is not exactly patchy or anything, but 2 coats does make it look even. Even after 2 coat, you might feel that the lipstick does look a little uneven in the terms of pigmentation, but trust me, all you need is to give this lipstick a few seconds to dry completely, because when the lipstick dries completely, it gives a opaque and completely even color pigmentation. Okay, I have actually just tried a hack to remove this particular lipstick. As I said while removing the previous lipstick, that this is a little hard to remove. Like, even if you have a good makeup removing wipe, these are not very easy to remove. So all you have to do to remove this is apply a little bit of lip balm on top of this. I have tried this on my lips as well, and all you have to do is like just clean it, and it is way more easier to clean when you have a lip balm over it. Now let's go and swatch the 4th shade from the collection. So this is how shade number 04 from the set looks like. The shade is called Lustrous Fuchsia. It is certainly the perfect shade of fuchsia. It is a bright color and might not be the shade of preference for everyone, but if you are into pink tones, then you might love this particular color. Now I have swatched all the 4 shades that are available in the set. Now let's talk about my first impression about these lipsticks. So starting with the packaging of these lipsticks is decent. It is travel friendly, not of very high quality, but yes, it is travel friendly. Secondly, talking about the pigmentation of these lipsticks is not very consistent, I would say. I have tried 4 colors, and in 2 colors the pigmentation is good in just the first swipe, while 2 of the shades require at least 2 swipes to make the lipstick completely opaque. If we divide the price point of these lipsticks, so the set of 4 lipsticks actually retails for around 1200 rupees, which makes each lipstick worth 300 rupees. So for 300 rupees for a liquid lipstick, it is a decent price. I won't say it is like an amazing deal what you will be getting in this, because you can get better quality lipsticks for this price. But I again won't say that this is a bad quality lipstick or something, but I personally have tried lipsticks which are better in quality for this particular price range. The one thing that I found a little weird about these lipsticks is their smell. These lipsticks have a weird sort of a smell which I haven't smelled earlier, and because I'm using the word smell, it is certainly not very pleasant. Thankfully, the smell which these lipsticks have do not last for a very long time, but you can smell it when you'll actually apply the lipstick, and in a couple of minutes the smell, the fragrance or whatsoever it is completely gone, which is again, as I said, a good thing. So yes, overall for me these lipsticks were sort of a 2.5 out of 5. I would not personally buy them again because I won them in a contest. I feel really blessed that I was able to try a different brand. I was able to try these lipsticks and share my experience with you guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked today's video, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.